Yeah. Check cheese in the bill. Some come a little go on the ranch, gotta thank the Lord. Dust on my boots, but I'm feeling like a brand new Ford. No howling from the hounds, no small. And mama made the breaker with the extra haul. I got my grub on, they was looking stout. Finally got a text from a girl I wanna take out. Hook it up for lady as I heat the door. Thinking about the money that I have in store. I gotta go, cause I got me to lift your truck. And if I hit the gas, I can make the tires buck.
Watch 'em spin.
Watch 'em spin.
Today I didn't even have to reach for the 12, yeah.
Keep it in the right, boy.
I got to say,
It was a damn good day.
it was a damn good day.
It was a damn
I
good day.
didn't even have to reach for the 12, yeah.
No drama today.
I got to say,
It was a damn good day. Pulled to the bar and I hit the date. Didn't get no status from the boys I hate. Now the sheriff and sud, everything is alright. Looking at the Lakers and they looking tight.
real good.
Face a poker with the boys in the shade of the Roy Flush. Now I'm way ahead. Plus somebody I know got locked in the county jail.
Down in Houston, no bail.
Last week messed around and caught a 10-pound bait. One discounted a steady pace. I can't believe today was a damn good day.
Lifting right.
Felt like a beat, but I'm through in the paved way home. And my phone is blown up. Cause I'm bun, I had to shine, she had to gin. Ho, ho. The Cowboys got another beef win. I failed on the bump, but yes, what a duty. Fix clothes in the DM, I'm shaking that beauty. And my roots run deep, so deep. But the whole damn can to sleep. Pulled up around one. She didn't hesitate to call, taste the Top Gun. Today I didn't even have to reach for the tailgate.
Keep it in the rack, boy.
I got to say, it was a damn good day.
It was a damn good day.
Today I didn't even have to reach for the tailgate.
No trauma today.
I got to say, it was a damn good day.
I see the crowd just a plane, and it says Texas dropped the game.
It was a damn good day.